How to track an edge. Here we have a video of some fabric that's waving back and forth in the wind, and we want to characterize the movement of this left edge of the fabric here. Normally we would want to use something like feature tracking, but in this case there aren't actually any features along the edge of the fabric for the algorithm to latch onto. Instead, we can use constrained edge tracking, which is designed to track the edge of some region along just one dimension. I'm going to stop the video here and then open up the constrained edge tracking control panel and enable it. When I do, a channel appears by default in this list here, and this shape appears in the middle of the video. This is our constrained edge tracking channel, and you can see that it has two endpoints, points 1 and 2. When we click Modify Channel, we can move these endpoints by clicking somewhere in the video and then dragging. And then we can lock that in place by clicking Set Channel. Because I've moved it here, what I'm now telling ProAnalyst is, when I click the Track button, look for a boundary between a dark region and a light region, and place a track point at that boundary, but only along this channel, so only along one dimension. And then ProAnalyst will go through and do that for every frame, placing a track point where it finds the edge, where it finds the boundary between light and dark. So I can jump back to the beginning of the video now, and I can just click the Track Forward button. And you see this white circle appears, and it's being placed right on that boundary, and it appears for every frame. Now, if I so choose, I could create two other channels, define each of those as well, and then set them. And then if I go ahead and track again, you can see that for each one of these channels, somewhere along this one-dimensional line, ProAnalyst finds that boundary between light and dark, and it places a track point there. And that is how you track the edge of a region.